नो वन कैन बी बेटर देन मी।
That's-
भावना रात को उठती थी और पसीने छूटते थे उसको कि उसको डर लगता था शायद ये बेगम जान का कैरेक्टर जो चंकी पांडे है वो उठ के उसका गला दबा देगा। आई वांटेड टू मेक मनी फास्ट। तो मैंने एक टाइम ये भी सोचा कि मैं अंडरवर्ल्ड में घुस जाऊं, स्मगलर बन जाऊं। तो बहुत फैशनेबल होता था ये सब। हाउसफुल आखिरी पास्ता की वजह से चली। नॉट दैट इट वर्कड बट आई विल टेक क्रेडिट फॉर।
You are working with Hina Khan. Now she is a force of power.
She is blessed. She's
Yeah.
blessed by God.
Yeah.
And God will keep blessing her and she'll be fine. आजकल मैं अनन्या का पापा हूँ और भावना का पति भी हूँ।
Of course, नहीं वो तो
तो
है
मेरे
ही.
करियर पे 4 चांद लग गए।
But
So like even Call Me Babe was not my kind of show. In fact, I didn't see it for 3 days. But I
Okay.
better do father roles because next thing I'll be doing Dadaji roles if I miss the father roles.
You are technically a Dadaji by now.
Oh yeah, my niece
Yes.
has a little baby boy River. And I miss both my girls at this age, yeah. Now they don't let me hug them like this. Now they're
Oh.
big girls and they just want to do their own things.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shosha. I am Titash Chaudhary in conversation with funny man Chunky Pandey, who's not so funny in this one.
हाँ इसमें गड़बड़ हो गई।
Riya Lakshmi we are talking about.
शोशा क्या शोशा है भाई।
शोशा तो आपकी भी है.
I'm praising myself. But हाँ ये गृह लक्ष्मी was a challenge यार. Because ठीक है मैंने अपनी नेगेटिव जर्नी शुरू तो कर ली थी with बेगम जान, then साहो और फिर मैंने अब एक तमिल फिल्म की सरदार. तो आई थिंक द जर्नी की शुरुआत हो गई बट ऐसे फुल फ्लेज्ड यू नो दैट काइंड ऑफ विलन जो डॉन रूथलेस. कभी कभी लोगों को लगता है इस शो में कि ये शायद ये भूत है, घोस्ट है, बिकॉज ही इज जस्ट अ रूमर.
And he's also called Betal.
He's called बेताल गज इस करीम काजी. यस ऑल्सो कॉल्ड बेताल. तो पहले तो इतना खौफ है इसका एंड इसकी हरकतें तो इतनी खराब है कि पीपल शिवर बट नो वन हैज सीन हिम. सो लोग बोलते शायद किसी ने ये रूमर बनाया कि ऐसे आदमी एग्जिस्ट होता है और उसके नाम के अंडर काले कारनामे कर रहे हैं. पर फिर ये शो अप करता है. हाफ द सीजन थ्रू ही कम्स एंड वंस ही कम्स इट्स फुल chaos.
Fabulous. But like I was saying, you are largely the funny man. We know you for your sense of humor. I want to understand how did
सेंस
you
ऑफ ह्यूमर इसमें मैं लोगों को ट्यूमर देता हूँ.
see? Proven. No, but I'm saying, how does your family react to your negative characters? Because the negative characters that you have done, like they were ruthless.
You're talking about बेगम जान.
Yeah,
In fact,
this
जब वो
one also
पिक्चर
pretty
रिलीज
sick.
हुई बेगम जान, भावना रात को उठती थी और पसीने छूटते थे उसको कि उसको डर लगता था शायद ये बेगम जान का कैरेक्टर जो चंकी पांडे है वो उठ के उसका गला दबा देगा. सो इट वाज
God.
लाइक एंड और हर मियां बीवी में जब झगड़े होते हैं
Right.
they always say like you know you're a real life villain and that's what Bhavna calls me. But I feel मेरे अंदर जितना मैं खुश हूँ और हैप्पी हूँ ना, मेरे में एक बहुत डार्क सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है, एक बहुत डार्क एनर्जी भी बैठी हुई है. तो जब ये मैं रोल्स करता हूँ मैं इन्हें बहुत इंजॉय करता हूँ, ये मैं बहुत दिल से करता हूँ. इसलिए जो भी मैंने ये नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर्स किए दे वेरी रियलिस्टिक बिकॉज ये अंदर से कहीं निकल रहा है.
Yeah.
और थैंक गॉड मैं इसे पर्दे पे कर रहा हूँ, नॉट इन रियल लाइफ.
Not in real life.
बट चांस मिलता तो रियल लाइफ में भी कर लेता.
But so safe to say कि maybe these negative characters are your alter egos.
आई थिंक सो बिकॉज यू नो जब मैं कॉलेज से निकला आई वांटेड टू मेक मनी फास्ट. तो मैंने एक टाइम ये भी सोचा कि मैं अंडरवर्ल्ड में घुस जाऊं, स्मगलर बन जाऊं. तो बहुत फैशनेबल होता था ये सब. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द 80s बट थैंक गॉड आई बिकेम एन एक्टर.
Thank God
और
for
अभी
that.
मुझे स्मगलर के रोल भी मिल रहे हैं.
That is
सी एडवांटेज ऑफ बीइंग एन एक्टर.
very true. You know, sir, in an interview you said that I did make that transition, you know, towards playing an antagonist. I think this was 2000s. You said that I know that I wouldn't be playing a hero anymore.
यस
Why did you say that?
बिकॉज देखो जब मैं आया था तो आई केम विद लॉट ऑफ अदर हीरोज एंड मेरी हर फिल्म मल्टी हीरो फिल्म्स होती थी, मल्टी स्टार कास्ट फिल्म होती थी. बट जो मैं व्हाट आई एम फ्रॉम इनसाइड आई वाज अ ग्रेट लवर ऑफ प्राण साहब, अमरीश पुरी साहब. आई लव्ड प्रेम चोपड़ा, आई लव्ड शक्ति कपूर. यू नो these characters they did because वो विलन भी बनते थे, हीरो भी बनते थे, कॉमेडी भी
Comedy
करते
भी
थे,
करते
लोगों को रुलाते भी थे. अनुपम खेर, यू नो that versatility. और मैं सोचता था I don't have that in me, which I don't. I'm not even 1% of them. Mahmood Saab and all, you know. So I always, within me, I always felt a hero had his limitations.
Okay.
That he had to be the good guy. He couldn't be bad, and he couldn't experiment a bit too much. He had to stay in his character.
Right.
But I felt these characters got much, much more to do. And then they got all those lovely scenes in the films which you remembered them from. So, naturally I was drawn towards these characters.
Yeah.
And now when I'm getting to play these characters, तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Nothing like it.
I'm really loving it and no pressure कि ये फिल्म मेरे वजह से फ्लॉप हो गई. हाँ चल गई तो मैं फुल क्रेडिट लेता हूँ. हाउसफुल आखिरी पास्ता की वजह से चली. Not that it worked, but I'll take credit for it.
No, of course. Why not? I mean, iconic character है. We'll have to give
छोटा
it.
रोल किया बट पिक्चर को चला दिया. I love that.
छोटा रोल नहीं रहा वो. That's what's important.
But it happened with me in Tezab also. I was so excited when
Yes.
Papan, that character. Because I feel जब आप फिल्म देखने जाते हो, you can't remember the whole film.
Right.
But ये 3-4 सीन आपको याद रह जाते हैं फिल्म में. और अगर आपको वो 3-4 सीन में एक भी सीन मिल गया, I think your actor journey is good.
That is true. Coming back to Grihalakshmi, you are working with Hina Khan. Now, she is a force of power in herself. How was it locking horns with her?
Locking horns, I तो fell in love with her यार. What an actor यार. वो एक्टरों की एक्टर है. Because she's so prepared, she's so happy. अगर आप उसके साथ 3 बजे रात को शूट कर रहे हैं या 8 बजे सुबह, उसका मूड वही है. Always with a smile, never complaining. Work is worship for that girl. And genuinely she's a superstar. Because जो superstar होता है ना, वो ना ही अपने lines देखता है, वो सबकी lines देखता है. It's like, it's like the captain of the ship. And she literally was that. She was into my character, she was into Divendu's character, into Rahul's characters. She was involved everywhere. And I was quite shocked to see that. And then I realized, I said, yeah, how are you like this? And she said, she told me like, how many films have you done? I said, I've done 80 films. So 8 into 3 would be 3 8s are 24. That would be 3 hours into so many screen hours.
Yeah.
I've shot. But her screen hours must be over 10,000.
Yeah.
Because she's done so many shows.
True.
So see the experience what she's got. Nothing takes away from experience. By experience is what we are. I'm sitting in front of you because of experience. तो बहुत मजा आया. I learned a lot from her. And I am so looking forward to seeing this on the screen because काम भी उसने बहुत अच्छा किया. A role just meant for her. Very challenging role. Not easy. I mean, to play a lady antagonist come the central character of the film is a commendable job. And she's done it with great ease. And
Yeah.
आप believe करेंगे उसको.
Right.
Very, very believable.
Right. Hina
In fact,
actually...
I made a very funny reel with her जो viral हो गया था.
I saw that.
And because we were talking on the set and I said, यार मैंने अभी तक ये reels नहीं बनाए. She said, चलो we'll do a reel. And so we shot it in the evening. I was so
Right.
excited.
Yeah.
And it's got some 20-30 million views. So
Imagine.
But she's a great actor and it's great to be working
fabulous.
with her. Yeah.
Also, I think she's such an epitome of strength with everything that she's going through, her physical ailment. But look at her. Who would say?
Yeah, she's blessed. She's
Yeah.
blessed by God.
Yeah.
And God will keep blessing her and she'll be fine.
Absolutely. How inspiring is that, right?
It is. We should all have to learn from her.
Very true. So, with the kind of roles that's coming your way today, because we know there was a phase when there was a rough patch in your career because of which you moved to Bangladesh. We know about it. But would you call this one of the best phases of your career?
For me, every phase has been the best. Even
Okay.
the bad phases have been very good because bad phases में मैंने कितने और कुछ चीजें सीखी. I
जैसे
learned how
कि?
to do events. I learned how to do property business. I broke the monotony of being an actor. I tried different things because it was like ये नहीं चलेगा तो alternate career तो
It taught you humility.
side business होना चाहिए कुछ. But of course, acting was my soul. It's in me, born actor. As I was telling someone, in the 5th standard, I even tried to produce a film. Yeah,
5th standard?
Yeah, I made Sholay in my school. Sholay theatre में release हुई थी and I had gone and robbed my dad's camera. And I had caught all the school kids and said, I'm making Sholay part 2. You want to act in it? Give me 500. In those days, I've collected some 10,000, which is would be worth about 10 lakhs today from all the school kids.
Oh my God.
And I blew up all the money and then the kids went and complained because the parents found out they donated money to me. So I was thrown out of that school for making that movie. So I've been like, producer to abhi tak bana nahi. बट अभी भी मेरे स्कूल के दोस्त मिलते हैं और याद दिलाते, सारे कमीने तू खा गया था हमारे 500 रुपए.
Do you fear that phase of no work again? Or do you think today, if that happens, God forbid, we hope it doesn't, but do you think you can deal with it in a better way?
I've been broke, flat broke many times, at least once or twice. Twice after becoming an actor, I've been broke, flat broke once. I have been totally out of work for a couple of years. So I've seen these phases. And it has just taught me ki, just love, cherish and respect your work. And I don't mind not having work. But ab jo main karunga, I only want to do good stuff that will make me happy. And the quirky stuff I want to do. It has to be challenging, fun. And I think I'm really enjoying this phase. बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Right.
I hope it stays.
No, it will, it
I
will.
hope every year is better than the other year.
Absolutely. And this is just the beginning of a new year.
From your mouth to God's ears. और वैसे आजकल मैं अनन्या का पापा हूँ और भावना का पति भी हूँ.
Of course, नहीं वो तो
तो
है
मेरे
ही.
करियर पे 4 चांद लग गए.
Full, एकदम.
I think now I'm getting more work because I'm related to some famous people.
You think so?
Reverse nepotism.
You had spoken about it in Fabulous Lives, that this is what is happening with me is reverse nepotism.
हाँ, बोलते होंगे ना इसकी वाइफ अच्छी एक्टिंग करती है, इसकी बेटी भी अच्छी एक्टिंग, शायद ये अच्छा एक्टर होगा. I'm not joking. It must be, it becomes like this thing. Yeah.
You must be feeling so proud, right? But
I'm a proud father, but I'm always a nervous father.
why nervous?
I'm nervous because, it's very important that you keep your head straight and you have to be accepted with everything you do. Especially when we work, when we do characters. जैसे मैंने करीम काजी का character किया और Ananya has done Call Me Bay or those characters which she's done. The audience has to accept those characters. And it's always a hit and a miss.
Yeah.
So I'm always a happy, proud, but a very nervous father.
Yeah.
And we have a lot of conflict. I feel she should do some kind of cinema and she feels she should do the other kind.
After Liger, she's told you not to advise her.
Yeah, I've been, so I'm a little from the old school.
Yeah.
I feel heroes and heroines should sing their songs, do their fights and, that kind of stuff. But she thinks a little differently. But I guess it's Gen Z.
Yeah.
And to each his own.
Yeah, right.
I hope she's right. And I think so far she's been
So
right.
far she's been great.
Yeah.
But
so like even Call Me Babe was not my kind of show. In fact, I didn't see it for 3 days. But once I put it on, after the 3rd episode, I binge watched it. It was so good. In fact, I saw the season twice. I really enjoyed it. And for the first time, I felt, God, is this my daughter? Like, where did she learn to do this? I didn't teach her. I've never done stuff like this. It's very difficult to, carry a central character to carry so many episodes and the way it culminates. But I guess she's a hardworking girl and I think the best compliment an actor can receive is, अरे ये तो role इसके लिए लिखा गया था. It's a very normal thing. Or she's like that in real life, but she's not. So when people say that this role has been written for you and no one else but you can do it, means you've done a good job. That's how it is. So when you see Hina Khan in this
Griya Lakshmi.
She is so believable.
Yes.
You'll wonder why she never did this before. You'll feel this role has been written for Hina Khan. And that's what I was coming to. That, actors should be lucky to get, scripts like this, but when they go to that next level of performing it, it's when it turns magic.
Yeah. But after Liger, has scripts come your way? So, no, in the sense you and Ananya together in a film.
Oh, have you been...
Those kind of scripts.
I don't know if she wants to work with me.
Come on, she'd love to.
Puppy, let's see. No, nothing has really come. But I'm doing a very, very interesting father-daughter story.
Okay.
Which doesn't have Ananya in it. And for the first time, I'll be playing a father.
Oh.
I'm so young. I don't know why they're making me play a father.
See, no.
But I better do father roles because next thing I'll be doing Dadaji roles if I miss the father roles.
You are technically a Dadaji by now.
Oh yeah, my niece has a little baby boy river.
That's true. We don't have time. I'll just take 2 more of your minutes. I have dug through your social media. I've
Achha,
picked
you
up
found
a few
some naughty things?
Naughty to nahi. Nostalgic things I've found. ठीक है, and I just want you to tell us a little bit of a story behind them. What is this photo shoot,
Oh my God. Yes. Okay, I'll tell you how I'm there on this poster. I'm there on this poster because of Anil Kapoor.
Okay.
So he was supposed to do it, and he was very busy shooting. He couldn't make it to the shoot, so the editor called me up. He said, "Where are you?" I said, "I'm at home." He said, "Wear a ganji and come running." So I wore this purple ganji and came running, and we shot this outside Sunny Deol's gate.
Okay.
Sanju was already there, and they were waiting for Anil, who had got stuck in Film City for some shoot.
Okay.
So that's how I got this cover.
Yeah. But it's great to see the friendship that you share with all your contemporaries. Has there, sir, never been any kind of envy in your heart?
No, I've always applauded people's success. I feel success is something you have to celebrate.
Yeah.
Whether if it's your own, good luck. But if it's not your own, you should celebrate other people's success. You should enjoy it. It makes you a happier soul. And I've always been happy, and I feel nice when people around me do well. It kind of shows that I'm lucky, maybe for myself and for them. So yeah, I think that's why I've been friends with a lot of people.
A lot of people.
No envy.
No envy.
No one can be better than me. And
This-
This picture was taken
Do you
on
remember?
New Year's in Shah Rukh's house.
Huh.
I think this was pre-COVID. This picture must be at least 5 years old. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
A fun evening, New Year's night. Yeah.
Yeah. He owes a lot to you, by the way. He keeps saying in interviews.
He does. Kind of him, yeah. But I've known him since he's come to Bombay.
Yeah.
And I mean, from where to where he's reached. No one could imagine. He's become an institution by himself. And but he's not changed. The funny part is he's that person. It's like the day he came till now, it's the core personality is the
It
same.
remains the same. The last picture.
Eats and drinks the same things. Yeah. Wears the same things. That same man.
Wow.
But so much has changed around him for him. Yeah.
But it takes a special kind of
Soul
blessing
to be that.
and
Yeah.
soul for sure to be that. The last one.
Oh my God, this is in Disneyland. And it's normally the papas who are taking pictures of the family. I made Bhavna take this, and we were waiting for our car to come and pick us up from Disneyland. And I keep forcing my kids to take pictures. And they, Papa, no. And I say, last one, please. You know, tab to camera hota tha, you have to develop the reel and all. But today, they are after me, Papa, get those old pictures. Na? So yeah, this is one of those.
This is Ananya or Raisa?
Ananya, this is. And I miss both my girls at this age, yeah. Now they don't let me hug them like this. Now they're big girls and they just want to do their own things. So I miss my girls at this age. So if you'll have little babies, baby girls, just keep them close to your heart always.
Very true. What a lovely note to end this interview with. Thank you so much, sir. Looking forward to the terror you create with Griha Lakshmi.
I want to warn your audience, अगर picture नहीं देखी ना, तो आपके घर में आकर आपको गृह लक्ष्मी दिखाऊंगा. It's a very good show. Miss मत करना because you'll regret it if you miss it. Epicon पे.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, मैं हूँ Chunky Pandey and you're watching me on News 18.